how to allow CapCut access to your photos on iPhone. So with CapCut, you would have to have access to, if you wanted to make a new project. So what we can do is open CapCut, and as you see, I will hit new project here, and it needs access to your photos or videos on your phone just to get your files. So what we can do is you can hit confirm here, but if you don't want to, you can come out of CapCut and go to where your settings are and scroll down until you see your apps section here, and go ahead and type in CapCut just to make it easier, as you see here. And what you want to do is go to your photos and go ahead and hit full access, or if you just want limited access, you can go ahead and do that. So I will allow full access to my photo library, and that's really it. From this point forward, your CapCut will be able to access your photos so that you can edit your photos, edit videos, make new projects, and that's it.